Morning, pre-algebra 2. Hopefully you had a nice extended weekend. Today we start our new journey of remote learning, and I wanted to show you what that would be for your class. Remote learning is a little different than our FID days that we've had over the last 2 weeks. Remote learning will take place every single day. So I am in Google Classroom right now, and Google Classroom is going to be the hub for all of your material for the next month. In Google Classroom, there are two different things that you can look at. The first thing when you open up Google Classroom is a stream. This stream shows you everything that is posted in the class. On the side of the stream, it also shows you the upcoming due dates. So it'll show you things that are due for the upcoming week. And there are a couple of things that are due on Friday that are posted on the side. What you need to do is go to the classwork page. That might be listed at the top of your screen, or depending on the device you're on, it might be listed at the bottom of your screen. But you need to click on that classwork page. The classwork page is important because it shows you a broken down group of material that you will need for remote learning. At the top of the classroom page will be the agendas. Each week I will post an agenda, which is more detailed than the lesson plans or the weekly assignment sheets that I was giving you in class. So the agenda will be the first thing, and that's really what you should look at every single day so that you know what is going on. So if I click on the agenda, which hopefully you've already done, you can see that we have a list of material that we will be going over this week. So the first thing at the top of the agenda will be the work that is due on Friday. And these are the assignments that were given to you for the 4 FID days. And if you want, you can even check mark them off saying, yes, I have them done, or no, I don't. You will get notification from Google Classroom if you have it returned from me. So when you go into the assignment, if it says returned, that means you have it completed. If it doesn't, that means you did not complete the assignment. Again, these assignments are due on Friday the 3rd. If you have any questions, feel free to contact Mr. Long or myself. There will be Zoom sessions scheduled randomly throughout the week, and it kind of just depends on what we're working on. Zoom is a way for you to have interactive contact with your teacher and with other students in your class. It's a great time for you to ask questions and get hopefully some questions answered. On today, Wednesday, April 1st, at 10 o'clock, there is our first Zoom session, and again, it's a question-answer session covering the factoring review worksheet that you had assigned last week during your FID days. There's another Zoom session at 2 o'clock, and it'll be going over the same content. Again, a question-and-answer session talking about the factoring AC grouping. There are 2 different sessions so that you have 2 options to kind of decide which class you would like to join. And you just literally click on the link that's provided. There is a password for the second one listed here. After you click on the link, you'll just type in the password. The other part of today, you will be uploading, if you haven't already, any of those FID assignments from last week. And then there's a video for you to watch. So I'm going to go back to my Google Classroom page to show you where you can find the information for the Zoom sessions again, and then where you can find the information for the video. This will be your means of instruction, which means this is how I will be delivering my lessons. I will go through, excuse me, I will go through with you how to work through problems and how to solve them. And in this case, for today, I decided to go through a few problems from the worksheet that I'm assigning. So this is what it would look like. It's a YouTube video. You literally just click on the video icon and you can see that it's a 6-minute video. So it works through 2 of the homework problems that you have on our final factoring review for today. That homework can be found right here. So anything that you need for today will be posted under the material for Wednesday, April 1st. So again, you have the Zoom sessions that you can join. There's a lesson going over problems 1 and 7 from this worksheet. And the worksheet, you're asked to do 1 through 8 for today. As you scroll down the screen, there is material set up the same way for tomorrow. Again, you have a video lesson, and that video lesson, it covers questions from the homework worksheet, and it's questions 11 and 17 or 16. You have the homework, which is to complete the other side of the worksheet, and this is where you'll post that worksheet when it's done. So you can see that one person has assigned or turned it in, 38 are still assigned that homework. So somebody has already completed the homework. But this is the location where you would turn in both sides of the worksheet. And then there are also solutions posted for you here. Again, anytime you click on it, you can always see a little image to kind of show you what will be contained in that post. Finally, on Friday, there's a Zoom session scheduled, again at 10 to 10:30, and that corresponds kind of with fourth period during our school day. And then there is a factoring quiz. The factoring quiz is on the factoring that we discussed when we were in class, and then when we were in class that March, like 9th through 12th, that's when we discussed factoring. And it also contains problems that we kind of have been reviewing during our FID days and that we review on Wednesday and Thursday. So quiz on Friday. That quiz, you can take it on your device. You can literally just open the document or open the PDF and do it in Notability. You can choose to print it out and then send me a picture, or you can just write the problems on a page. Try and be neat and organized, and then just post a picture. But I ask that everything gets posted in Google Classroom. Please do not email me any assignments. So there is a spot for you to post this, and literally you will post it directly in this assignment. So that is what we have for this week. Each week you'll get an agenda kind of describing the material that we'll be going over. And one thing with that agenda, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, it gives you a little summary in a cute little box. So if you're not sure what's going on or what's due for the day, you can always refer to the agenda. It'll tell you exactly what is due and on what day. The FID days have due dates, or as of Friday, so any material from those FID days are due on Friday, April 3rd. The remote learning is due pretty much the next day. So again, I have that listed here for you. So remote learning, we're now covering material every single day. Next week we'll be doing new material. So there are due dates every day, just like it would be in a regular classroom. You have homework, it's due the next day. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, or you can join the remote learning Zoom session today. Have a great day.